In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Monday.com. If you already have a board set up exactly the way you like it, with the right columns, views, and maybe even some sample items, turning that board into a template will save you a lot of time down the road. Instead of rebuilding the same structure again and again, you'll be able to spin up a new board from your saved template in just a few clicks. First, make sure you're on the board that you want to use as your template. Take a moment to double-check that everything is set up the way you want future boards to look. This means your columns are in the right order, your groups are named properly, and any automations or views you rely on are already configured. Remember, whatever is on this board at the time you save it will become part of the template's structure. Once you're ready, look over to the left sidebar where your board name appears. This is the name of the board you're currently working on. Hover over that board name, and you'll see a small three-dot icon, often called the More Options or three-dot menu, appear right next to it. Click on that three-dot menu. A drop-down will open with a list of options related to managing your board. From this menu, look for the option labeled More Actions. Go ahead and click that. This will expand another set of options that give you additional ways to work with the board. In this expanded list, you'll see an option called Save as a Template. This is the key action that turns your existing board into a reusable template. Click on Save as a Template. After you select that, Monday.com will show you a confirmation window. This is just to make sure you really want to create a template from this board. In this window, you may see the board name and a brief description area depending on your workspace settings. If you can, it's a good idea to keep the name clear and descriptive so you and your team know exactly what this template is for. When you're ready to finalize it, click the confirmation button that says Save as Template. Once you do that, your current board is officially saved as a template, and you'll be able to choose it the next time you create a new board, making your workflow cleaner, faster, and more consistent.